Okay, well, this is the sunroom, which is going to be like a office slash fourth bedroom, and it's still a work in progress. But what I wanted to show you guys, oh my goodness, I got a paint sprayer and I love it. I have so many rooms to paint, and I actually can't do this in all the rooms. And yeah, the paint is still kind of wet, so it looks a little funky right now. And I'm gonna add a second coat, but oh my goodness, a paint sprayer saves your arm, saves time, saves trouble. I'm gonna put in the description box below the one that I bought, and I bought a real cheap one for like 80 bucks. The most important thing that you have to follow is what it tells you on how to dilute the paint. You have to thin it a little bit. And let me show you the closet that I worked on. So this is what the closet looks like now. This is like one coat, and I spray painted everything. Now, if you look up there, you see some streaks because I made a mistake and I thinned the paint too much. I did not follow the written instructions. So I'm gonna have to like keep working on that, but I'll fix that. It'll look super cheap by the time you see it. So I got the whole closet finished in like 10 minutes. Now in this area, you know, I had already painted a little bit by hand, so that's kind of like, it's actually kind of like a second coat of paint. It looks so good. Once again, up there in these overhead storage bins, I thinned the paint too much, and it did run. I think you can see that, but I'm gonna go back and fix that. That's not a problem. So, oh my goodness, my new favorite tool, if you get nothing else, get yourself a paint sprayer if you've got a lot of painting to do. But also understand, it gets everywhere. It sprays. You gotta wear a mask. You gotta wear goggles. You gotta cover your hair, your head, everything. But it saves you a whole lot of time. Oh, let me show you one other room I did with it. Okay, remember the closet? And oh, I'm sorry, it's so dark in here. Oh, you can see it now. I was having a problem trying to figure out how to paint this ceiling in this closet because it's way over my head. But it worked out beautifully. I know it's really hard to see, and I'm going to try to lighten it up in the video, but it made the closet look beautiful. And I love, like I said, my new paint sprayer. Ta-da! Okay, so here's my paint sprayer. It's in the sink. It's composed of, you get this part, you get this little part, you get the container that you put the paint in. It's a hose, and it's got one other piece. It's got this other piece device attached to it. Now, I know people have said on YouTube and everywhere else that this thing sucks. No, it does not. You just got to mix the paint right. So that's the Wagner Home Decor Paint Sprayer. Loving it. Thank you, Wagner, for making it. And if you want to give me a few free ones, feel free. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.